Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm driving my car to this auto shop that I trust. They're gonna replace my rod bearings, so I have not changed them yet. There's no record that any other owner has done it in this car, and I think I will be the first one changing them, so I'm curious to see how bad they are. The car is at 85,000 miles right now. I've had no issues so far, thankfully. So the rod bearings I'm gonna go with are ACL, and the bolts are ARP, and I'm also gonna switch out my motor mounts as well. So I'm getting all that taken care of, and hopefully everything goes smoothly. Hey guys, I just arrived at Dixon, so I'm gonna drop off my car here to get my rod bearings done. Here's my dirty baby. There's a lot of BMWs here, which makes me really happy.
It's nice. Then what do you do? Put a little lube on it? Always lube your bearings.
These are my old rod bearings. Okay, so how bad do you think they are, 1 to 10?
1 being good and 10 being horrible?
Yes.
I would say these were like a 2.
A 2?
A 2 or a 3. They look pretty good. There's no scoring. Like, there's no ridges in the bearing or anything like that. They show somewhere, but any motor's going to have somewhere at 90,000 miles on an M motor.
And this is 85,000 miles.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it looked like someone took great care of your car.
Including myself.
Including yourself.
Thank you, Phil.
No problem.
We are at Dixon Motorsports right now. Hey guys, so I just picked up my car. The rod bearings were actually in excellent condition, just a little bit aware, but I'm just glad it's over with. I don't have to worry about them anymore, and I'd rather be safe than sorry. So they were good at 85,000 miles. Now I just gotta take it slow for about 500 to 700 miles. Can't do anything crazy in the road until that. So yeah, life's good now because my rod bearings are changed. Thanks for watching everyone. I'll see you next time.